Why does your scanner show the P0731 engine code? What does it mean? P0731 is a diagnostic trouble code for Gear 1 incorrect ratio. This engine code indicates that Gear 1 has been detected by the PCM as having an abnormal gear shift ratio. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Transmission fluid issues. Faulty shift solenoids. Transmission control module malfunction. Clogged transmission filter. Internal transmission problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle with an OBD2 system, which includes vehicles manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Honda, Chevrolet, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.